Are you looking for the best impact driver? In this video, we will break down the top 5 impact drivers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Dewalt 20 volts Max XR Impact Driver. This driver with 1,825 inch-pounds of torque and big 4.0 Ah batteries, is a contractor-quality tool capable of driving large lag bolts. The one-handed chuck worked reliably, and bit changes went smoothly. It has 3 LED lights spaced evenly around the chuck that illuminates the work area without dark spots or shadows. This kit can also be purchased with 2.0 Ah batteries for $200, impact driver, 2 4.0 Ah batteries, charger, and a hard-carrying, storage case. At number 2. Bosch 12-volt Max EC Brushless Impact Driver Kit. This driver kit with 930 inch-pounds of torque, is perfect for workshop projects and around-the-house DIY tasks. It weighs merely 2.1 pounds but lives up to its reputation as a workhorse. Standout features are its fuel gauge, you can see remaining battery life, and the tool's ability to reach into tight spots to insert or remove screws. It comes equipped with 2 rechargeable batteries, a charger, 2 screwdriver bits, and a carrying case. At number 3. Dewalt 20 volts Max Impact Driver Kit. This is a great option for anyone looking for a first-time or replacement power fastener. Coming with an independent charging station and the standard 1x4-inch hex chuck. This driver is small enough to fit into tight spaces without sacrificing the power and torque it can produce. The driver head also includes 3 LED lights for illuminating the space you are working on. At number 4. Porter Cable PCCK 647LB 20 volts Max. This product has a brushless motor which provides 50% more runtime. It packs plenty of torque for large fastening applications at 1,400 pounds and 2,900 RPM. It's very lightweight, weighing in at 2.9 lbs and carries a 3-year warranty. The ergonomic design is 14% shorter than other models and makes it easy to grip and hold. Porter Cable has been around for a long time, and for the price, this impact driver is a steal. At number 5. Makita XDT16T. This offers a quick shift mode and uses the brushless motor's electronic controls to find the best balance of speed and torque. This is nice for at-home use where some projects will require more torque than others. The small design makes this one great for tight-fitting applications like HVAC or appliance repair. This can stand up to the demands of building a deck, roofing, adding gutters, or drilling holes in 2x4s while being more than adequate for smaller jobs. That was an amazing impact, but the XDT16Z blows it away in power, torque, battery life, size and functions.